I go, he'd call a realtor. I'm having a heart attack, all right? At the same time, I have a monitor on the nightstand for the little guy, right? This dude stands up in bed, and he goes, "What was that?" He's standing there with his 3-year-old gut out. You know how they're all like... I'm like, what do you own, a Chevron? Why do you stand like that, dude? I go, what? He goes, what was that? I go, what was what? He goes, that. I go, what's that? He goes, what was that? I go, I don't know what the fuck you're asking. He goes, was that the choo-choo? I said, what? He goes, was it?